SPC Building Services recently completed the exterior remodel and painting of the Irvine Park Place towers. However, the project was not without its challenges. There were equipment and rigging obstacles that the team had to navigate. These challenges affected the timeline, budget, and overall progress of the painting work, causing some delays. Nonetheless, the team remained steadfast in their determination to overcome these obstacles by employing their problem-solving skills and accepting the need for adaptive measures. The completion of the project was incredibly satisfying, a realization of the team's collective willpower and effort. The exterior transformation was nothing short of incredible. People, even longtime residents, were amazed at how different and appealing the towers now looked. Key stakeholders conveyed their gratitude and admiration for the outcome of the successfully completed project. We were able to complete the restoration and the remodel of the lobby, working hand in hand with property management, with the designer. They were able to give us their goals, their desires, and our team of craftsmen was able to complete all of the painting and all of the work that needed to be done there. When we looked at the roofing setup, we saw a tremendous amount of challenge, not just because of its proximity to the airport and the weather conditions, but the way you have to hang the equipment was a challenge. We were able to figure that out. We were able to hang our equipment. But we were also able to focus in other areas that were needed in this project. The parking structure was an area that received painting. We were able to also complete in the lowest areas of the parking structure epoxy injection to prevent water intrusion. We were also able to complete a lighting retrofit on the balconies to bring in modern lights. Despite the challenges faced, the completion of the exterior painting project at Marquee Park Place is an incredible achievement. It's a testament to the team's dedication, perseverance, and resilience. Thank you for entrusting us with the responsibility of this project's successful completion.